Auntie Gang. So we're finally back with another video, and today's video is going to be beach day. It is currently, what time is it? It's currently 6:04 in the morning. Mommy woke me up at 5:30. I don't understand why we're going to the beach so early, but I have no problem because the sun is out. Look at her. Miss I love to panic about the house. And here go the next one.
Oh, get away.
No, with that before you would You're very
It's a part of what makes the video funny.
I ain't putting my life out here.
But I'm finna see how I get in the car. So there goes Savannah. And Maya. But I closed my hair in the door.
Please take them.
Okay, but still I have to make sure it's closed properly.
Didn't I just say to you to take time and
I did. I don't know why everybody always say I'm slamming their car door.
Do you have your mask?
No.
I have mine. So you have your mask?
Tiana, you need a mask.
Yours?
So what I gotta do? Get out the car?
Go get it, Samaya.
Can you do me a favor and grab one of the white masks that you see on the TV stand too? Thank you.
The TV stand.
You move them?
No, Tiana, go and see mask. The mask is in my room.
Yeah, in your room. That's where her pink bag is.
So when they go in white and black.
Don't question my styles. The audacity. Like, don't do that. What is the problem? Just bring the thing on back. Now you don't need it. Mommy, how much money do I need to bring?
You know, your auntie said BK does it.
BK? Oh, Burger King. Look at my life cute bag. Yeah, pictures was taken with this on Instagram. And we finna take some more because I'm in love with it. You feel me?
This is on TV, you know. How I have to say that about pictures of things. But if this is video, I am I'll make it key. No.
Mommy, when you watch YouTube, what ain't your
This
food?
is not like that. Pictures will take.
I'm tired of y'all making fun of me.
Like, lip gloss so early for you.
Man, me say, I remember, all me did I feel that fight with this because we were to get lip gloss from the tears. Come here, right down this thing, go, I need to put on lip gloss. I watch your mouth. I don't know how she wear with lip gloss.
That's a lie. I do not be wearing lip gloss in the house. That's be Vaseline on my lips.
Yeah, now you wear lip gloss in your house.
Oh, in my house. Ooh, look at the sunlight. I wear Vaseline. I wear, okay. I do. The sunlight on my face. See, this is really my home because they be treating me good. Look at that. Look at outside, yeah, we pin clothes on the lines out here.
Y'all can't hang no clothes on
We can, but we just have to have like our own lot area. Roads are very bumpy out here, so y'all be seeing all them low cars that they be having on Instagram, where like you can't even push $1 bill underneath. Yeah, don't bring those out here unless it's a show car. Because look at the roads. It's not everywhere, but like if you do have a car like that, you can't be driving it all over the place.
But people who have car like that would live in communities like this.
Like look at the road.
They live in communities that have the road.
And you see that little bumper stuff? It's all over. Yeah.
It's not all over.
It is.
You guys do that.
It's so why are we bumping left and right? Well, not all over, but this specific road, yes. It's certain areas that's smooth, but it's very rare. Cause JPS likes to come and dig up the road.
Main road. Hey man, come up with the car. Come on, let us say up shop. Let me have Benz be my day drive.
Child. Chile. Back to looking at houses. You see that water tank on the top? That supplies the water for the household for a lot of people. Like when water, we have like water shortage or what? I don't want to say water gone.
When water gone?
Yes. When water. No, I don't.
I swear to God, every time I come to Jamaica, I want to get something on the board.
No, I didn't know what to call it for them to understand. When water goes away, those tanks on the top of the house is what supplies the water for some households that have it. In the meantime. But they not going when water gone, I that we use.
Yes, when water gone, I that we use.
Oh God. A lot of people don't have backup generators for when light gone. When the light goes away.
Like God. This is like this is the ideal time for you to embrace that part.
She can't do that embrace.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'm gonna have to put on closed captions for a lot of people, and they gonna be like, "What did you say here? What did you say here?" Like, look at the view. Yeah, it's given. It's really given. Y'all see that?
It's a given.
Y'all see that? All you gotta do is stand on the top of a house and you get that view. In America, you gotta travel to different places to get a view like that. Yeah, it's given. You feel me?
Given. I don't think it's a given.
It's giving. Mom, you can say hi instead of mean mugging.
It's the early beach stroll.
You can say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Island Tea Gang. It is very full. Very, very full. Yo, look at the waters. Like, it's clear. Like, you can see what's down there. Chile. I think we've all been here before.
Lord of His mercy. Lord of His mercy. How much you earn now?
Hello. People can go that far out. There's somebody all the way out there. Hold up. There's somebody all the way out there. Oh my God. That's what happens when you can swim. Yeah, they're all down here. I said, yeah, they're all down here. Are you getting water? I am going to swim. I thought it was a cup. It's a big issue.
When you have a carry going in water, you just come and you take them here and you wrap down.
They ain't tell me it was crooked. Okay.
Tina, I see water, you come in and see all the sun starting in your face already. And then we cannot
Our backs to the. Ready? Look at my mommy. Is she pretty? Is she pretty? Alright, time to get in the water. And it's warm, it ain't cold. Okay, nope, it's starting to get cold. Ah. It's starting to get cold. Oh gosh. No, don't start with that. Don't start with that. Yeah. It's cold. Yeah.
I know.
Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna go put my phone down so I can start enjoying this little water. I just wanted to see them let me get in the water. Huh? This is the beach y'all need to come to. It's clear, it's clean, it's giving. You feel me? Yeah. Mommy, look. Where's Savannah? Hello, no come para Udina. I'm under the sea update. We've been here for like 30 minutes.
Did you hear what song? I'm not sure. Huh? Auntie?
Under the sea.
Let's go to the
I can't see seafood, Jack. And this one don't know how to swim.
Be quiet. I can't swim in this big giant.
Let's do a beach interview. How was your experience here?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Let's see you swim.
Girl.
Let's see you swim. Make it to go to mommy. And watch you go. What was that? Next. On to the next visitor.
I'll go out there.
Let's watch her swim. What was that?
Wait, I said I was going out there.
Oh, okay. My apologies. Let's start from this end then. And how do you think you did?
Amazing.
Amazing? Great. Mother, the following interview. How are you?
I'm good.
How's your experience?
My experience?
Great. Now let's see you swim to one end. This is the best swimmer on the team. You see her, period. Yeah. Yeah. It's given. Yes. And how do you think you did?
10 out of 10.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. My experience so far has been great. The only downfall is my eyes are starting to burn. But now I'm going to attempt to swim. Alright, Savi, stay right there. Only downfall is I can't get my hair wet because it's gonna be heavy, but I think I did fantastic. Ugh, why are you trying to bring me down?
I wanted to tell something.
You want me to record it?
Can you please go put it down if you stop?
Y'all, it is time to leave Savannah.
Savannah, just wrap up now and take your stuff.
Excuse me.
Yes, baby.
Look at my hair. I couldn't get my hair wet.
You already wake up?
I only wet up like the front and like the back, but
If you wash your slippers, you're going to wet up the slippers down till you don't want it wet, because that's the time when the sun is going to cling to it. You're going to shake off the sun after. You don't really want that wet. It's okay. Savannah have our wet things then. Anywhere Savannah put in her wet stuff. Just put on the dress.
No, you leave your hands inside to take off the underwear. Next arm. Can I do it in the car? Put your hand in. Ain't nobody seeing anything. Put your hand in, take off the underwear.
Let's see everything.
No, but now reveal. Just push, drop the underwear. Just drop it. Don't take it up. I'll take it up. Just drop it. Hold it out now. Out with your hands. Out with your hands.
Come here, Burger King, stop. Hey, come on. That's so good.
Just have it.